Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Sometimes decluttering and cleaning can be overwhelming. I've found a way to reduce the stress that is involved, and that is to divide and conquer. You get the job done still, but it doesn't feel like such a burden. Let me give you a few examples of this. Let's start with the dishes. It's really nice to get the dishes done every night before you go to bed. Then you wake up to a clean kitchen. But after a long day, when you're tired, it isn't always easy to be motivated to do the dishes. The solution to this is to divide and conquer. We will divide this job into 4 parts, for example, but you can divide the job in a way that works best for you. You don't have to do all of the parts at the same time. Just do them one at a time, as you can fit them in your schedule. Part 1 is to rinse off the dishes right away. No one wants to deal with a sink of dirty dishes. Food is harder to get off when the dishes sit around. After you use the dishes, just rinse them off and set them to the side of the sink. You don't have to worry about washing them or filling the dishwasher. Just rinse them off. When you're done, take a break from the dishes if you need to. You can come back to them when you have a few minutes. The next part is to fill the dishwasher. The dishes are already rinsed, so this job is super easy. Just put the dishes in the dishwasher. Put the soap in so you'll remember that they are dirty dishes. If the dishwasher is full enough to your satisfaction, then run them. If you time yourself, you will see that filling the dishes takes less than 5 minutes in most cases. The third part is to do any hand-washed dishes. In our house, sometimes we usually just have 1 or 2 sharp knives that need to be washed by hand. Doing hand-washed dishes shouldn't take very long, and then you're done with this part. The last part is to empty the dishes. When the dishwasher is empty, you're done for the evening. That shouldn't take very long. Set your timer if you want, and you will see that it can be done in less than 5 minutes. Let's look at another example, cleaning the bathroom. Divide the bathroom into parts. You can divide this job into however many parts you want, but I'll share what I usually do. I divide the bathroom into the following parts. Clean the mirror, clean the counter and sink, clean the toilet, clean the floor, and wipe down the tub. If you do this regularly, this shouldn't take a lot of time. Fit each part into your day. None of the parts should take very long at all, and before you know it, you will have accomplished the task. It is easier and less stressful to divide and conquer by focusing on one small part at a time. Let's look at another example. Say you have small kids that you need to keep an eye on. When they play, you can sort through their toys and see what you have and declutter the ones you don't want anymore. As you watch them play, you can observe which toys they like to play with. Sort through the different types of toys, one type at a time, and get rid of the ones that just take up space. Ask yourself if you have more than you really need. And if you do, just reduce what you have. For example, I have a bin for Duplos. I won't keep more than can fit in the bin. If I find that there are some that I can't fit in the bin, I get rid of them. The same thing goes with our Playmobil 123. I will keep 1 bin and no more. I know that if I buy more than can fit in the bin, then I have to get rid of some. It makes me think twice about buying more, since I know I'll have to get rid of some if I do. You can spend a few minutes playing with your child, then a few minutes sorting. Go back and forth between playing and sorting. Before you know it, the room will be more organized and look great. This process can be used for cleaning, decluttering, or any job that you need to do. Divide it into easy, manageable parts. Do one part at a time. You will still get the task done, but it won't feel so much like a burden when you divide and conquer. Try it and share how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.